Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I will show you on how you can buy Bitcoin on your PayPal account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the PayPal application right here. And before we get started, this method that we are going to do for today is not available for all country or regions. So just make sure that you have the appropriate region in order for this to work. But in my case, I have it inside right here. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that your debit card is bind with your PayPal account right here. So you want to go ahead and click on wallet, and inside wallet, you can just go ahead and add your debit card. Right after that, the finance tab will be enabled in the bottom section right here. In your case, you want to go ahead and click on finance, and from there you will be able to see a crypto category. You can just go ahead and select Bitcoin, select on buy, and you will be able to buy Bitcoin using PayPal. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.